This podcast is brought to you by The Senior Techie, a source of information for seniors and others about technology. Right now, as we speak, 113 smartphones will be lost or stolen in the next 60 seconds.
Yeah, and if yours is one of them, are your irreplaceable family photos or, sensitive medical documents just gone forever? It's a harsh reality. The Senior Techie says 67% of computer users will lose their files at some point, mostly because they just don't have a safety net.
Wow, that is a terrifying statistic. So, our mission for this episode of the Senior Techie podcast is building that safety net. We're talking about backups.
Right. Definitely a crucial topic for everyone.
It really is. I usually think of a backup like a spare house key. Like you wouldn't hide your only spare key on the coffee table inside your living room.
Yeah, no, because if you get locked out, it's completely useless.
Spot on. A backup needs to live somewhere else. But, where's the best place to actually keep it?
Well, you generally look at two avenues. You've got local storage and cloud storage. Local means a physical drive, so like an external hard drive or a USB thumb drive.
Okay, so something you can actually hold in your hand.
Absolutely. The appeal for many is that it's a one-time purchase and you have complete physical control over the device.
Right, but physical control definitely has its downsides. Flash memory degrades over time, or worse, those tiny drives are just incredibly easy to lose in a junk drawer somewhere.
Oh, tell me about it. They just vanish.
Yeah. Plus, if there's a disaster like a house fire or a flood, the original computer and the backup drive sitting right next to it are both destroyed at the very same time.
Which is why cloud storage is the necessary other half of this equation. Services like Google Drive or Apple iCloud store your data securely on internet servers.
So it's not physically in your house at all.
Right. It solves the physical vulnerability problem.
Yeah.
And it makes sharing, massive photo albums with your grandkids incredibly easy because you can access the files from anywhere.
And you don't have to be a cybersecurity expert to keep it safe either, because major cloud providers have dedicated security teams monitoring their systems 24/7.
You'd be right. But even the cloud isn't bulletproof. Servers have outages, accounts get hacked, and passwords get forgotten all the time.
Sure, that makes sense.
So relying on just one backup method, whether it's a drive in your desk or a folder in the cloud, leaves you with a single point of failure.
Okay, so how do we eliminate that single point of failure without making things, overly complicated?
By using the 3-2-1 rule, it's really the gold standard of data protection. You keep 3 total copies of your data.
Okay, 3 copies, got it.
Yeah, and you put them on 2 different types of storage media, say your computer's internal drive and an external hard drive. And then you keep 1 copy completely off-site, which is where that cloud connection comes in.
Interesting. I'll be honest, though. I thought I was fully covered just by carrying my smartphone. Like, I take a picture of my family, and my iPhone uploads it to iCloud automatically. Am I wrong to trust that?
Oh, man. This is perhaps the biggest digital trap out there right now. The Senior Techie says that 9 out of 10 times, photos on a smartphone are merely synced to the cloud, not truly backed up.
Wait, really? What's the difference? Isn't the phone saving a copy?
So think of a true backup as a frozen time capsule. It preserves a copy of the file safely away from the original.
Okay.
Syncing, however, is a live two-way mirror. If you shatter the mirror on your phone by accidentally deleting a photo, that two-way connection instantly shatters the reflection in the cloud too. The photo is just gone.
Wow. So if my account gets compromised, or I just press the wrong button on my screen, the cloud version vanishes just as fast as the local one. That completely changes how I look at my phone's photo app.
It's definitely a wake-up call for a lot of people.
But securing this properly doesn't mean buying expensive, complicated software, right?
Mm-hmm.
Especially for seniors on a fixed income. Well, budget is a real factor.
Oh, totally. You likely already have the tools you need built right into your devices for free. If you use a Windows PC, just search for the Windows Backup app in your Start menu.
Oh, nice. Yeah, and on a Mac, look for Time Machine in your system settings. Both let you plug in an external drive and will automatically run right in the background.
That's amazing. You just set it up once, and it quietly does the work of filling that time capsule while you go about your day.
Before we wrap up, I really want you to picture something. If your tablet or phone slipped from your hands and fell to the bottom of a lake today, what is the single photograph or the one critical document you would be most heartbroken to lose forever?
Oh, that's a tough thought.
Let the thought of losing that specific file be your motivation to set up your backups today.
This podcast was brought to you by The Senior Techie. It's available on Apple Podcasts, YouTube, and Spotify. If you'd like to receive their free newsletters, you can subscribe by going to subscribe.theseniortechie.com.